Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video we are going to do the unboxing of this particular cable of the provided by Ambrane, and it's a type C cable which I had purchased to charge most of my smartphone, but unfortunately this is not a fast charging cable guys. And getting out of this box, it is quite a neat cable and it is having this gray kind of material. Again, if you want to purchase this particular cable, check out the link in the description to get it on Amazon for a discounted price. And coming back to the cable guys, it's a like very good quality kind of cable, and it is having this mesh kind of material. Even the connectors are supreme, I would say. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also follow us on social media at the rate creative sort on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Would help my channel a lot. By the way, Embrace have not sponsored this particular video, so I just purchased this from Amazon with my own money. And in order to support this particular channel guys, if you want to buy this particular cable, just go in the link in the description to get it from Amazon, which would help my channel a really lot. And coming back to the connectors guys, it's very good connector, but unfortunately this is not a fast charging cable. It does not support quick charge 3. And I was a bit disappointed, but then again I really like the way this is built. You wouldn't notice a difference between a 1,000 rupee cable and this cable, and I got it like very less rate guys. So the updated price will be there on Amazon. And as you can see, this is kind of a mesh material, nylon braided, and it is kind of very durable cable. And I am using this particular cable just to charge my smaller peripheral devices like watches and something like headphones, etc. And as you can see guys, it's a nice material, because I don't think so this is going to break even if you are using this on a regular basis. So I recommend this particular cable only for those who are not looking for a fast charging solution and are looking for a smaller peripheral charging. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think about this cable. Are you thinking of purchasing this cable or just skipping it? Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.